Greetings everyone and welcome. Today I want to share with you 3 things to remember if you are going through a difficult time. Number 1, you are not your mind, you are not your body. You are Source, God, love incarnate. It is flowing through you as you. So never, ever, ever believe a thought that doesn't feel good, and never identify with the mind. Number 2, if you feel that you can't go on, if you're really feeling that there is a part of you that is wanting to die, ask yourself the question, which aspect of yourself is no longer serving you? Which operating system, which ways of relating to yourself are wanting to die? So we always want to leave the physical body out of that because, of course, we're energetic. We never fully, fundamentally die. It's just repurposed, our energy and our spirit and our soul. Number 3, to surrender your suffering and your pain to your guides, to God, to Source. Really just ask for support, pray for support, and know that your pain is actually a catalyst for your purpose. It is intentional. We suffer when we forget the truth of who we are, when we assign our freedom and our well-being to the external world. May this serve your journey, sending you all so much love and blessings. Shana makatshna otashana matashanayana o shana kanahe Ashai nai nai nai, shanahe nahe, ashnai kanashna chnakia.